The Arctic is warming twice as fast as anywhere else on our planet. By 2040, the ocean here will be largely free of ice during the summer months. This loss of ice will inevitably have devastating consequences for all those that still depend on it. The far northeastern coast of Russia. This is the largest gathering of walrus on the planet. Over 100,000 have hauled out on one single beach. They do so out of desperation, not out of choice. Their natural home is out on the sea ice. But the ice has retreated away to the north, and this is the closest place to their feeding grounds where they can find rest. But every square inch is occupied. Climbing over the tightly packed bodies is the only way across the crowd. Those beneath can get crushed to death. A stampede can occur out of nowhere. Under these conditions, walruses are a danger to themselves. Some manage to find space away from the crowds. They struggle up the 80-meter cliffs. An extraordinary challenge for a 1-ton animal used to sea ice. At least up here, there's space to rest. A walrus's eyesight out of water is poor, but they can sense the others down below. As they get hungry, they need to return to the sea. In their desperation to do so, hundreds fall from heights they should never have scaled. These mass gatherings of walrus are now happening almost every year. So the lives of walruses, like those of polar bears and seals, are changing. All are living at the frontier of climate change, and all are suffering as a consequence. For now, the Arctic winter returns, and the sea ice reforms. Order is restored. Relief for the many creatures that depend on the ice. But for how much longer will their frozen worlds be a part of life on our planet?